Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to use OpenAI. OpenAI is a powerful machine learning platform that can be used for a wide range of applications, from language processing to robotics. In this tutorial, we will explore the basics of using OpenAI and how to get started with this platform. What is OpenAI? Before we dive into how to use OpenAI, let's first understand what OpenAI is. OpenAI is an artificial intelligence research laboratory consisting of some of the brightest minds in AI research. The company's goal is to create AI that is safe, transparent, and beneficial to humanity. OpenAI has created a platform that allows developers to build AI applications on top of it. This platform includes a wide range of pre-trained models and APIs that can be used for various applications. Getting started with OpenAI. To get started with OpenAI, you will first need to create an account on their website. Once you have created an account, you will have access to OpenAI's various tools and resources. One of the most important tools that OpenAI provides is the API access. With API access, you can use OpenAI's pre-trained models to create your own AI applications. The API access can be obtained by following the instructions on the OpenAI website. Using OpenAI to create an AI application. Once you have obtained API access, you can start building your own AI applications using OpenAI's pre-trained models. Let's take a look at how you can do this. Step 1. Choose the OpenAI model that you want to use. OpenAI provides a wide range of pre-trained models that you can use for various applications. For example, you can use GPT-3 for language processing or DALL-E for image generation. Choose the model that best suits your application. Step 2. Configure the model. After you have chosen the model, you will need to configure it. This involves setting up the input and output parameters for the model. For example, if you are using GPT-3 for language processing, you will need to specify the input text and the desired output. Step 3. Integrate the model into your application. Once you have configured the model, you can integrate it into your application. This involves writing code that calls the OpenAI API and passes in the input parameters. The API will return the output, which you can then use in your application. Tips for using OpenAI. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of OpenAI. Start small. Start with a simple application and gradually build up to more complex ones. Use the OpenAI forums. The OpenAI community is very active and helpful. Use the forums to ask questions and get feedback on your applications. Experiment with different models. OpenAI provides a wide range of pre-trained models. Experiment with different models to see which one works best for your application. Use the OpenAI documentation. OpenAI provides detailed documentation for their models and APIs. Make sure to read the documentation thoroughly to understand how to use the platform. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we have explored the basics of using OpenAI. We have seen how to get started with OpenAI, how to use OpenAI to create an AI application, and some tips for using OpenAI effectively. OpenAI is a powerful platform that has the potential to revolutionize the field of AI. With the right tools and knowledge, you can create amazing AI applications using OpenAI. What specific use case are you most interested in exploring with OpenAI? Please share your thoughts in the comment box below. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to use OpenAI. We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any further questions or would like to learn more about OpenAI, please feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.